Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the age of surveillance, accountability, and innovation in Drive Dazzle Review YouTube channel. In a world where security is paramount, the evolution of mini body cameras has become indispensable for personal and professional use. These compact devices offer discreet and reliable recording capabilities, redefining the way we capture moments and ensuring safety in various applications. Today we embark on a journey to explore the top 5 mini body cameras, carefully curated from the vast landscape of online stores. Each device brings unique features and capabilities, catering to different needs and preferences. Now, let's delve into the significance of these remarkable gadgets. In an era where unforeseen events can unfold in the blink of an eye, having a trustworthy witness by your side is more crucial than ever. Body cameras empower individuals, whether law enforcement, civilians, or outdoor enthusiasts, to document their experiences, providing an unbiased account of events. They have become a symbol of transparency, accountability, and personal safety. Our top 5 selection showcases the pinnacle of technological advancements in the world of body cameras. From cutting-edge features to durable designs, these devices are more than just recording tools. They are companions that enhance security, promote justice, and capture life's fleeting moments. So how did we choose these top 5 body cameras? Extensive research, user reviews, and an in-depth analysis of features led us to these outstanding devices. We considered factors such as video quality, battery life, durability, ease of use, and additional features like GPS, night vision, and remote control functionality. Now, let's introduce you to the stars of our selection. 1. 𝐒𝐿𝐵 M7 128GB body camera. Our first contender is the 𝐒𝐵 M7, a 128GB body camera designed for police, civilians, law enforcement, and delivery professionals. Crafted with cutting-edge surveillance technology, the M7 seamlessly integrates reliability, versatility, and user-friendly operation. Key features include a GPS-enabled system, a 180-degree rotatable lens, and a powerful 4,000 mAh battery, supporting continuous recording for 14 to 15 hours. The M7 excels as both a body and dash camera, ensuring optimal shooting angles and clear footage even in low-light conditions. Upgrade your surveillance capabilities with the 𝐒𝐵 M7 for unparalleled security and peace of mind. 2. MIUFLY S2 PRO 2K. Next on our list is the MIUFLY S2 PRO, a groundbreaking wearable camera tailored for security professionals. Delivering exceptional 2K video quality throughout extended shifts, this innovative device features breakthrough voice control, enabling hands-free operation with specific commands like MIUFLY and Take Picture. With a robust 4,200 mAh battery, IP67 waterproof resistance, and anti-drop capabilities, the S2 Pro ensures reliability in adverse conditions. Elevate your surveillance capabilities with the MIUFLY S2 Pro 2K voice control camera, a pinnacle of innovation, durability, and functionality. 3. 𝐿𝐿SFOM WD6 96P body camera. Our third entry is the 𝐿𝐿SFOM WD6 96P body camera with remote control, a versatile and reliable tool designed for outdoor activities, sports, and home use. Equipped with a 3,400 mAh battery, providing an impressive 14 hours of continuous recording. The WD6 is perfect for extended outdoor activities. The remote control function adds convenience for hands-free operation, and the generous 128GB memory card included ensures ample storage for all your recordings. Upgrade your recording adventures with the 𝐿𝐿SFOM WD6, delivering quality performance and practicality. 4. 𝐒𝐵 M5 2K police body camera. Introducing the 𝐒𝐵 M5 2K police body camera, a cutting-edge addition to 𝐒𝐵's imaging and recording product line. Boasting 2K video recording, a 4,200 mAh battery, and GPS capabilities, the M5 is designed for law enforcement, security, and outdoor activities. With a 4.4-star rating and various configurations available, including different storage capacities and options with or without GPS functionality, the 𝐒𝐵 M5 delivers high-definition recording, long-lasting battery life, and rugged durability in a compact and multifunctional body camera package. 5. Hoster 64GB body camera. Our final contender is the Hoster 64GB body camera, an innovative and versatile solution catering to the video needs of both law enforcement and everyday users. With a 4.3-star rating and a discounted price of $79.99, this body camera offers portability, reliability, and comprehensive functionality. Equipped with a 2500 mAh battery, the A39 supports up to 10 hours of 1080p video recording, making it ideal for emergencies, daily recordings, or professional use. Whether you're a police officer, hiker, cyclist, or someone in need of a reliable body camera for various activities, the Hoster A39 is designed to be your dependable recording companion. In an era where security and accountability take center stage, mini body cameras have emerged as essential tools for personal and professional use. These compact devices offer discreet and reliable recording capabilities, making them indispensable for various applications. Let's embrace the power of innovation, upgrade our surveillance capabilities, and secure peace of mind. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the top 5 mini body cameras. Secure yours today for an enhanced and reliable security experience.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.